Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Genucell Eye Cream is probably one of the most talked about skincare solutions for targeting the delicate eye area, promising to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, and dark circles, making it a popular choice for those seeking a more youthful and refreshed look around their eyes. Number 5. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. Tired of puffy eyes and under-eye bags? Discover a solution designed to visibly reduce their appearance. It's time to refresh your look. Experience intense hydration thanks to the power of hyaluronic acid. This formula helps replenish your skin's moisture barrier for a smoother feel. Enriched with niacinamide, it helps to calm and soothe the delicate skin around your eyes. Enjoy a more comfortable and revitalized eye area. A unique marine botanical complex works to improve the appearance of tired eyes. It helps to revitalize and brighten the under-eye area. This oil-free formula is ophthalmologist tested, making it suitable for the sensitive skin around your eyes. It's gentle yet effective for daily use. Incorporate this cream into your daily routine for visibly refreshed and revitalized eyes. Achieve a smoother, brighter appearance with consistent use. What we like. This option offers excellent hydration with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. It's fragrance-free and ophthalmologist tested, making it a safe choice. If you have sensitive skin or are prone to irritation, this is a great everyday option. What people say. This is gentler and works great. It moisturizes and absorbs fast. Quick and easy to use in the little tube that only squirts a little, so I do not overdo it. I have had no irritation. It leaves no film or color and my makeup applies easily over it. This eye cream has made a noticeable difference in the hydration and smoothness of my under-eye area. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly without feeling greasy. It layers well under makeup and doesn't cause pilling. With consistent use, my under-eye area looks more refreshed and less dry. I appreciate that it's fragrance-free and gentle on sensitive skin. The texture is lightweight, absorbs quickly, and doesn't feel greasy at all, which makes it perfect for daily use and under makeup. I have sensitive skin and I'm happy to say that it doesn't sting or irritate the eye area at all. It feels very gentle and soothing. I've already noticed that my under-eye area looks more hydrated, smoother, and refreshed. Number 4. LilyAna Naturals Eye Cream. Are you struggling with dark circles, puffiness, or wrinkles under your eyes? Our advanced formula is designed to tackle these common concerns, leaving your skin looking refreshed and revitalized. This powerful cream works to diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and under-eye bags. It's your secret weapon for a smoother, more youthful look. Formulated with sensitive skin in mind, it provides essential hydration without irritation. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to a comfortable, nourished feel. Combat the signs of aging with this potent anti-aging solution. It helps to improve skin's texture and elasticity for a firmer appearance. Proudly made in the USA, this eye cream is crafted with quality ingredients. Experience the difference of a product made with dedication and care. Give your under-eye area the attention it deserves. This cream is designed to restore and enhance, making you look and feel your best. What we like. This cream is specifically formulated to tackle dark circles and signs of aging. It's made in the USA and is gentle enough for sensitive skin. If you're looking to brighten your under-eye area and combat fine lines, this is a solid choice. What people say. This eye cream I have used as a whole face moisturizer and it's amazing. It really moisturizes but doesn't leave me clogged or greasy. I don't use primarily around my eyes, but most eye creams burn or irritate and this one does not. Absolutely love this eye cream. First, out of many I've tried, that I actually like and will continue to use as it has definitely improved my under eye and eyelid. No doubt. Softer, more hydrated, younger looking skin. Number 3. 8 Saints All-in Eye Cream. Tired of puffiness, wrinkles, and dark circles? Discover the ultimate solution for your delicate under-eye area. This cream is designed to tackle all your concerns. Harness the power of nature with our carefully selected natural and organic ingredients. We believe in effective skincare that's gentle on your skin. See a visible reduction in puffiness and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Achieve a smoother, more refreshed look around your eyes. Say goodbye to stubborn dark circles and under-eye bags. Our potent formula works to brighten and firm the under-eye area, restoring a youthful appearance. Experience a treatment that's both gentle and highly effective. It's specifically formulated for the sensitive skin around your eyes, delivering visible results. Incorporate this essential step into your daily routine for brighter, more revitalized eyes. Reveal a more radiant you with every application. What we like. This product boasts natural and organic ingredients to combat puffiness and wrinkles. It's designed as an all-in-one treatment for multiple under-eye concerns. If you prefer a clean beauty approach and want to address bags and dark circles simultaneously, consider this. What people say. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly without feeling greasy, which makes it perfect for both morning and nighttime use. Within just a couple of weeks, I noticed a visible difference in my under-eye area, less puffiness, smoother fine lines, and a brighter overall appearance. My dark circles look significantly reduced, and my skin feels more hydrated and refreshed. The skin under my eyes looks more refreshed and hydrated after using it, softening the lines and crow's feet. This cream works well alone, or under makeup. Number 2. Instant Under Eye Lift Serum. Are you struggling with tired-looking eyes? Discover the ultimate solution designed to rejuvenate your appearance. This serum is your secret weapon for a refreshed look. See a remarkable difference in just minutes. It works quickly to address common concerns, giving you a smoother, more youthful appearance without delay. Say goodbye to stubborn eye bags and fine lines. This powerful formula targets wrinkles and puffiness, helping to restore a firmer, more lifted look around your eyes. Tired of dark circles and crow's feet? This serum is specifically formulated to brighten the under-eye area and smooth out those fine lines, revealing a more radiant you. Experience the benefits of an advanced firming formula. It's expertly crafted for mature skin, providing the support it needs to look and feel its best. Achieve a more youthful appearance with ease. This serum helps to firm and lift the delicate skin around your eyes, making you look revitalized and refreshed. What we like. This serum provides a rapid, temporary lift to the under-eye area. It's designed to visibly reduce bags, wrinkles, and dark circles within minutes. If you need a quick fix for tired-looking eyes, especially if you have mature skin, this is your go-to. What people say. This product is amazing and it really works. I have been using this product for a week now and I can see a difference. Number 1. 8 Saints Light Show Brightening Eye Gel. Discover the refreshing power of our Brightening Eye Gel. It's designed to gently hydrate and revitalize the delicate skin around your eyes. Crafted with natural and organic ingredients, this cooling gel provides a soothing sensation. It's the perfect way to start or end your day. Tired of puffiness and fine lines? This potent formula works to visibly reduce these concerns, leaving your under-eye area looking smoother. Experience a calming effect as it gently nurtures your under-eye skin. It helps to reduce redness and irritation for a more comfortable feel. Give your eyes the attention they deserve with this revitalizing treatment. It helps to brighten and awaken the appearance of tired eyes. Its lightweight texture absorbs quickly, delivering powerful anti-aging benefits without any heaviness. Enjoy a brighter, more youthful look. What we like. This eye gel offers a refreshing, cooling sensation upon application. It's formulated to brighten and calm the delicate under-eye skin. If you experience puffiness and want a soothing, brightening effect, especially in the morning, this gel is ideal. What people say. The applicator is flawless and it makes it so easy to get just the right amount. It's cooling and absorbs quickly and easily. No residue, no tackiness. My under eyes are very dark and this did help them look brighter and more refreshed. The product is moisturizing, with a very light shimmer that masks some of my dark shadows and wrinkles, and it looks great under makeup. There is not much of a scent, and the gel includes an applicator that definitely cools and feels good when I use it each morning. The product has this wonderful metal applicator that is immediately cooling on contact. If you have puffy eyes, this would undoubtedly soothe them. It absorbs quickly and there are no abnormal smells. My eyes appear brighter and the premium ingredients are no doubt helping out in other ways as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.